Good evening, dear children. You are welcome to a new session of GK. The last class you have learned chapter 1. Today let us move to chapter 2. I hope you have textbook in front of you. Open chapter 2. Places where plants are grown. Chapter 2, places where plants are grown. So we know various plants in the world are grown in special places. So some plants we can see somewhere, some plants in other places. So every plant, they do not grow in same place. So some plants grow only in some places. So here let us study various plants in the world are grown in special places. Various plants in the world are grown in special places. So let us, in this chapter, let us discuss which are those places. First one, young plants are grown in a dash. So in the textbook below the page, there is one help box. So there the answers are given but not in correct order. So when I give the answer, you just note its number. Then after that you can copy. Okay. So first question, young plants are grown in a kitchen garden. So the help box, there is kitchen garden. Find out and give number 1. Young plants are grown in a kitchen garden. Then second one, a place where flowering plants are grown. The place where flowering plants are grown. So second one, nursery. So it is given in the box. So write number 2. Then third one, a house made of glass where plants are grown. That is greenhouse. So what is greenhouse? It is a house made of plants made of glass where plants are grown. Greenhouse. Question number 3, greenhouse. So put number 3 in that word, greenhouse. Then fourth one, a farmer grows his crops in a field. So where do farmers grow their crops? They grow their crops in a field. So put number 4. Then 5, a place where trees, plants and creepers grow wild. ആരും നട്ട് വളർത്താതെ തന്നെ സ്വമേധയാ ട്രീസ്, പ്ലാന്റ്സ്, ക്രീപ്പേഴ്സ്. വാട്ട് ആർ ക്രീപ്പേഴ്സ്? തറയിൽ പറ്റിച്ചേർന്ന് വളരുന്ന ചെടികൾ. ഇതൊക്കെ വളരുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണ് ജംഗിൾ. എ പ്ലേസ് വെയർ ട്രീസ്, പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് ക്രീപ്പേഴ്സ് ഗ്രോ. ആൻസർ ഈസ് ജംഗിൾ. ദെൻ നമ്പർ 6, എ പ്ലേസ് വെയർ ഗ്രേപ്സ് ആർ ഗ്രോൺ. ഗ്രേപ്സ് വളർന്നു നിൽക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം. ആ സ്ഥലത്തിന് പേര് പറയുന്നത് വിനിയാർഡ്. VINEYARD. വിനിയാർഡ്. So a place where grapes are grown is vineyard. Then 7, a place where vegetables and herbs are grown. Vegetables, herbs, ഇതൊക്കെ വളരുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണ് garden. So number 7. Give number 7 to garden. Then 8, a large estate where tea, coffee and rubber plants are grown. ധാരാളം റബ്ബറും ടീ, തേയില, കാപ്പി ഇതൊക്കെ വളരുന്ന സ്ഥലത്തിന് നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? പ്ലാന്റേഷൻസ്. കുറച്ച് സ്ഥലത്തിൽ, ഏക്കർ കണക്കിന് സ്ഥലത്ത് വ്യവസായാടിസ്ഥാനത്ത് കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ദാറ്റ് പ്ലേസസ് ആർ കോൾഡ് പ്ലാന്റേഷൻസ്. ദെൻ 9th one, എ പ്ലേസ് വെയർ ഫ്രൂട്ട് ട്രീസ് ആർ ഗ്രോൺ. ഫ്രൂട്ട് ട്രീസ് വളരുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണ് ഓർക്കിഡ്. So I will read out the answers once again. Young plants are grown in a kitchen garden. A place where flowering plants are grown, that is nursery. A house made of glass where plants are grown, that is greenhouse. A farmer grows his crops in a field. A place where trees, plants and creepers grow wild, that is jungle. A place where grapes are grown, that is vineyard. Then seventh one, a place where vegetables and herbs are grown, that is garden. Then a large estate where tea, coffee and rubber plants are grown, that is plantation. Ninth one, a place where fruit trees are grown, that is orchard. I hope you have noted all the numbers. After that you can copy. Then chapter 3, some products we get from plants. We know you have learned the uses of plants. We get many things from plants. So let us see what are the products that we get from plants. So here in column A, the name of some products are given. In column B, we can see the names of some plants. So let us see what product we get from these plants. So first one, perfume. Perfume, the answer is rose. So write the number H. So you can write the letter H. Perfume, rose. So you note down H. Then second one, oil. Oil, we get oil from groundnut, that is F. Give letter F. Then third one, medicine. Medicine, the answer is neem, that is B. Neem, you know what is neem. So that is the medicine we get from neem. Then fourth one, paper. Paper we get from bamboo, option A. So write there A. Paper we get from bamboo. Then 5, sugar. Sugar we obtain from sugar cane. Sugar cane number, the letter C. So write there C. We get sugar from sugar cane. Then sixth one, cricket bat. We know cricket bats are made from a tree called willow. Cricket bat, answer willow tree. That is option that is G. So write there G. Then flavor. So to add flavor, ice cream ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങും പല ഫ്ലേവറിലുള്ളത് കിട്ടും, പല രുചികളിലുള്ളത്. അപ്പം ഫ്ലേവർ, പ്രത്യേക ഫ്ലേവറിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ് വാനില. So seventh one, flavor, answer is vanilla. Vanilla means the last one, J. Right, the letter J. Then balm, it is derived or we obtained it from balsam. Then ninth one, fiber. Fiber, cotton. വസ്ത്രങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള നാരുകൾ, ഫൈബർ we get from cotton plant. Cotton. Fiber, cotton. That is the option E. Then 10th one, furniture. വീട്ടുപകരണങ്ങളൊക്കെ അറിയാലോ, പലതരത്തിലുള്ള ഉപകരണങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ തടികൾ കൊണ്ടാണ് നിർമ്മിക്കുന്നത്. So here the option is I, oak. We get furniture from, or we make furniture out of oak. So I'll read out the name of the product and the plants from which it is obtained. That I will read once more. You check please. Perfume, we get perfume from rose. That is option H. Then oil, groundnut. Groundnut, option F. Then medicine we get from neem. That is letter B. Then paper, bamboo. Sugar, sugarcane. Sugarcane, C. Letter C. Then cricket bat. Cricket bat, we make cricket bat out of the willow tree. Willow tree, that is G. Then flavor, for taste or different taste we use different items. So vanilla is also used to add a flavor. So vanilla, the answer is vanilla. Then eighth one, balsam. The right answer, balsam. Then 9, fiber, that is cotton. We get fiber from cotton. Then 10th one, furniture. That is the answer is oak. Oak, that is I. From oak tree, that wood we make furniture. I hope you got all the answers. Study very well and don't forget to write in the space provided here. Then it will be easy for you to study. Otherwise you have each and every time you have to go to the options. So please write here itself. Okay. We will continue the balance in the next class. Thank you.